That sounded like Mrs. Doubtfire. Hello! Sorry guys. Hello friends, it's me again, Desh, and welcome to another video. This video is going to be a cooking video. It's going to be fun, it's going to be easy, and at the end it's going to be delicious. So today we're going to make some prawns curry, and we're going to accompany it with some whole wheat couscous and a nice side salad. Now doesn't that sound amazing? It sounds amazing and healthy and yummy. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to show you the ingredients you will need, and then we can start cooking. You will need some prawns. It's deveined and washed and ready to be cooked. Right, then we have 5 tomatoes. I grated them because cutting them is just too much of effort, and who wants big chunks of tomato in your food? So grate them or blend them. Awesome. Also have some curry leaves. I have chillies to taste. That is a whole onion, guys. You can use a whole onion, but I think since my onion is so massive, I'm going to use half. I have 4 cloves of garlic that I've also grated. You can have crushed garlic if you like, but that's 4 cloves in there. Let's move on to this side. So we have 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of jeera. So 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala. I'm going to use some canderel, or you can use any type of sweetener, xylitol, honey, whatever you want. Like I said, guys, this is a healthy cooking show. I'm going to say a cooking show. And I've got some turmeric. I'm going to put a teaspoon. I like to use spray and cook because I have a nice beautiful AMC pot. Thanks to my mother-in-law. Thank you so much. I love my pots. Right, so I've got some spray and cook olive oil. I've got some garlic salt because I just love garlic, extra garlic, I really do. And obviously salt to taste. If you guys want a full recipe, I'm gonna put it at the bottom so you can see it. I'm gonna put it down below. So everything's ready. I'm gonna place you to the side so you can see what I'm doing, and yeah, let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is put my gas stove on. If it decides to work. Oh my gosh. Sometimes it comes up instantly, and sometimes you have to work so hard for it, right? So anyway, okay, in a nice large pot, let's put some oil. Around 2 to 3 teaspoons should be fine. I just put the spray and cook inside. Right, got your oil. The next thing I'm going to do is put the onions in. I cut my onions straight into the pot. Then I'm going to put in my chillies. I just cut them in half. So mix that in nicely. I like to put in some salt so the onion doesn't burn. It's up to you. Just put a little, just to stop the burning process, because I like the onions nice and yummy. So it has to be on the stove for a while. So this is the way I do it. You can do it another way. I'm just showing you what I do. I'm not a professional cook. This is how I do it, and it's yummy, and I just thought I'd share it with you. I know you can't see me, but here I am. Okay, next thing you're gonna do, curry leaves. Put on those curry leaves. I know a lot of people have different methods of cooking, or different sequences of putting ingredients in the pots. Like I said, you do you. You do you, guys. Alright? Next thing I'm gonna do is put in my garlic. Okay. Oh man, this smells good. Now, then I'm gonna put in my bay leaves, my 2 bay leaves. I'm gonna put in my teaspoon of jeera, my teaspoon of ginger powder, two teaspoons of garam masala, some turmeric, about a teaspoon, your chili powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, alright, mix that nicely. Wow guys, the aroma in this kitchen is amazing. Beautiful. Alright, now I'm going to put in my canderel. I just put in like half a bag. That's sufficient for me. To me, canderel is a bit sweet also, so no, thank you. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of salt at this stage. Keep on mixing, you don't want things to burn. Right, next thing you do, put in your tomatoes. Let that do its thing. I know I didn't mention this before, but together with my 5 tomatoes, I also put a bag of tomato paste. I love the way the tomato paste flavor is. I put a whole bag in there. Whole bag, packet, pouch, whatever you call it. This is now beautifully mixed together. And we're going to simmer this for about 20 minutes. This recipe is so easy, and as you know, or if you don't know, prawns literally take like a few minutes to cook. It's not a tough meat. It is a nice tender meat, and it takes a few minutes to cook. So this process ain't gonna take long at all. Let that sit for 20 minutes. And now we're gonna make the couscous. Don't waste time, guys. Don't wait for the prawns to simmer for 20 minutes. Let's do something else in the meantime. So we're gonna make the couscous. It is the most easiest thing to make, guys. All you need is your couscous, a bowl, and boiling water. Let's do it. This is the couscous that I use. It is whole wheat couscous. It can be eaten hot or cold, right? I've got a cup measure, so just a cup, and I have some boiling water. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is, put some in a cup, pull it to the top. Remember, this swells, so it might look like a little, but it isn't. Topple it over. Sorry, I took that lid out, it was distracting me. So next thing you're going to do, now that you have your couscous in the bowl, you're just going to cover it with some water, boiling water. You can see the steam. Right, cover it until it's covered. Wow, look at that. It's already starting to absorb the water. So just take a lid now and cover it. It's been on the stove for 20 minutes, simmering. All the goodness is happening. I've tasted it. It is amazing. So now what we're going to do is going to put our prawns in. I'm going to put them in quite gently because they still have the shells in them. I want to keep them intact, and we'll mix it in gently with this now. Right. Take your prawns, they're nicely washed. Alright, and then I'm going to gently put it in here. Remember your prawns, if you took it out from the freezer, make sure that it is at room temperature so they all cook nicely. Just put in your prawns. Pretty sure my plate's off. I have psychic abilities. Right, keep putting them in. I know it seems like a lot, and you're probably saying, oh my god, why couldn't she have used a bigger pot, or why didn't she just put less in? But you know, or if you don't know, prawns shrink, guys. So, and it's like a crowd pleaser. So I like prawns, my husband likes prawns. Okay, and I just like sort of mix it very gently in. Right. Be gentle, be very gentle. Go. Alright, so how you know prawns are ready is if they curl up into a C. If they curl up into an O, that means it's overcooked. Just remember, O means overcooked. So we don't want them to go into O's, we want them to be C's. So it's gonna simmer for 8 minutes. Right, it's been in here for 8 minutes. Man, does that look good. Wow, this looks so good, guys. So scrummy. Remember what I said? The prawns should be C's and not O's. They are perfect C's. Closer look. Right, and that's done, guys. If you want to garnish with coriander, you are more than welcome to. I'm not going to because I do not like leaves in my food, although there is a bay leaf, but we'll take it out. And that's pretty much done. So the salad I'm going to be making is fairly simple. I'm not putting carrots because I don't feel like grating, being very honest with you. So this is what I have for my salad. Feta cheese, I've got my green pepper, half a green pepper, I've got some sweet peppers, red, orange and yellow, I got some cucumber, some cherry tomatoes, yes please, some spring onion, and lots and lots and lots of lettuce. Alright, so now I'm going to put you down and let's make the salad. I mean, I'm not going to do fancy chopping, guys. What I usually do, I just cut the peppers this way. I don't like them square. I like my veggies to be sort of different shapes and sizes. It's weird, but that's what I like. I just take the tomato and I just cut it in half. Cut my spring onion like this. For the green pepper, I'm just going to cut it in half. Just cut it in. Right, all the goodies are cut. Before I put in the feta cheese, I'm going to put in my lettuce, and I just break my lettuce and put it in into little bite-sized pieces. I'm going to use what God gave me, my hands, and just mix the salad. Almost done. I'm going to take a whole cube block thing. I cut them into bite-sized pieces. does that look? The peppers, all those colors in there, the cucumber, the feta, tomato. Ready for the food porn. Let's do it.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow. Whole wheat couscous. It is so fluffy. It really is a good substitute for bread or rice. It's healthy and it's yummy, and it goes so well with curries and salad. And now I'm gonna sneak a taste. Let's sneak a taste, you guys. So keen. So I've got my prawns, I've got my salad and couscous. So keen. That's so good. It really is so good. It's spicy, but you gotta have prawn spicy. It's bland. You gotta make it. You gotta give them some oomph, you know. So, thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to see more videos like this, come back to my channel. Like, subscribe, comment, and I can't wait to do more cooking with you guys. Try this. It's delicious, it's healthy, it's simple, it's quick, it's easy, so good. So come back to my channel, like, subscribe, click the bell icon down below, and you'll get a notification every time I post a new video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you again soon. Bye. Today we're gonna cook. Oh my god. So the salad that I'm gonna be making is, well, I don't know about so this couscous that I'm gonna make is, and then you take your bowl, sorry, you take your lid, right, so let's sneak a taste.